Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa at Lisa J's World, and today I am doing an unboxing. But as you can see, the box is already open, and I want to say that this box came just like this. Just like this. The box was open already. So I don't have to cut it today. So let's go in and see what's in the box. I'm doing this with one hand. Oops, I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, Chilla. Okay, as you can see, my dog is with me today. He's in the cut. Oops. That's the packing slip. And it is the Ashton Tote. The Florentine Ashton Tote in the color Bordeaux. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Luckily, the bag is intact. Everything is wrapped nicely. I wonder, oop, there he is again, sorry. That's my baby. Okay. Let's see. It seems like it's wrapped really nicely. This was actually, was this my last order? When did I place this order? It was on the 21st. So I got this bag because there was a sale going on. It was $139 for this bag. And then right after I ordered the bag, it went on sale. Okay, before, let me look and see what the slip says. It says it's the Ashton Tote Bordeaux, 24 out of 84, regularly $348. Okay, everything, this is brand new. Definitely brand new. The straps are even taped down. This bag definitely is pebbled. But you know, that's kind of nice because it's a tote bag. It's a real leather bag. I got this bag because I wanted a leather tote. I have the black nylon. Yeah, it smells like leather. You can smell it. He's smelling it. It is, again, same information. This was a nice size. I wanted a tote, like I said, because I have the black nylon east-west shopper, and I wanted a leather tote. This is nice. I only have one hand, so I can't really open it up. I like the bottom. It has feet. It's not too wide. I'm glad I didn't get the large, because that would have been too big. Definitely has the green suede. Oh, I wish I could get this off. See how the straps are, because that was my worry about the straps, to see if they were long enough. So yeah, guys, that's my quick unboxing of my new Ashton Florentine leather tote, the regular size. The back. Oh, I was really curious about the back zipper, the color it would come in, and it looks like it's brown. I like it. It's nice. It's just the right size tote for me. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. If you like to subscribe to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you like to get notified when I do another video, you hit the bell notification beside the subscribe button. Thank you guys, and have a nice one.